If you're looking for a way to elevate the legs so that you can reduce swelling, reduce pain associated with swelling, I shared some still photos on the page a couple days ago, and I got a lot of hate for the pictures that I shared because people thought that I was laying flat on the floor with my legs up on the stairs. And while there are still a lot of patients who can get on the floor after a knee replacement, my intent was not to say everybody should get on the floor. This is my staircase in my house. Some people will have similar staircases. There's a landing here. There's 3 steps, and then the 4th is the landing, and then the rest of the stairs go up. I was simply suggesting that you would sit on the landing, you'd swing around, you'd place your legs up for elevation, 10 to 20 minutes, and then when you were done, you can come back, get up and go about your day. If you want to give this a try, absolutely talk to your surgeon, talk to your physical therapist. Don't do anything without their approval. But my intent here is just to show you some ways that you can get things done that maybe you hadn't seen or thought of before. I wish you guys the best.